Let's move to the new kid on the block, and we are talking about the listing of the day. And I would say one of the probably companies which could make use of the ECM window or the window of opportunity that was available in the equities markets earlier. Now, it was a strong debut for precision cage bearing manufacturer Harsha Engineers. The stock lists a 35% premium to the issue price. And earlier today, we spoke to the management, the CEO of the company, Vishal Rangwala, who expects the company to outperform the industry growth going forward. Take a listen.
As I mentioned, there are a lot of factors going into that. Industry, what we estimate is going to grow 6 to 8% is the industry growth. And again, as I mentioned, that because of China Plus One and outsourcing, quite confident that we can hit the teen numbers. Again, difficult to put in an exact number on that. We don't expect to do, debt raising anytime soon. We have investment plans to support our, customers' growth and in line with that. So next 2 years, we don't expect to raise significant debt. We will probably work with some working capital if there are, relatively cheaper side because we do a lot of exports and we get a lot of those opportunities. But beyond that, we don't expect to raise significant debt. We target about 110 days of complete end-to-end cycle for us.
All right, so that's about Harsha Engineers, the stock of the day. But the other sector which is in focus is the auto space. Tata Motors has now launched a new range of vehicles which it's terming as the future of pickup trucks. Jude is standing by with a report from the launch event. Jude.
Well, Tata Motors going all guns blazing by launching not one, not two, but 4 LCV pickup trucks insofar as its future of pickup trucks range is concerned. A little earlier in the day, Tata Motors announced the launch of the Yoda 2.0, the Yoda EX, the Intra V50 and the Intra V20. In fact, the last one is the first of its kind bi-fuel pickup truck, both operating on diesel and CNG. Tata Motors, in fact, announced that that each of these trucks will be priced between 8.67 lakh and 10.74 lakh rupees per vehicle. In fact, Tata Motors ED Girish Wagh stated that the company is targeting sales of 1,000 of these brand new pickup trucks across dealerships in the country today itself. In fact, Girish Wagh also went on to state that the company was looking to invest an average of 2,000 crore rupees in its CV space every year without breaking down in terms of each of these segments and how much investment they would attract. So Tata Motors really pushing the button in terms of focusing on the LCV space, stating that there was ample room to grow insofar as this segment is concerned, and 4 launches in one day really, going the extra mile in underlining that task and target.
All right, Jude, thanks so much for giving us that ground report on that big launch coming in from Tata Motors. But really, the auto companies are taking it on the chin, 4 to 5% down on Tata Motors. And we'll stay with the auto sector. We'll talk about Maruti, which is also down more than 4% in trade at the moment. And it started the retail sales of the Grand Vitara, which are starting at an ex-showroom price of about 10.45 lakh rupees, and an upper range of Grand Vitara will be at 17.05 lakh rupees. The Grand Vitara's, smart hybrid will cost between 10.45 lakhs to 17.05 lakhs, while the intelligent electric hybrid variant will cost between 17.9 to 19.65 lakh rupees. Well, Mangalam, looking at any of these?
No, not a pickup truck in India for sure, because that's not for passengers anymore and the roads are not conducive for that. But what we do is take a short break, come back, we talk about the markets as well as some GST related updates on the other side of this short break.